Welcome to this edition of BobCAD-CAM Quick Tips. Did you know that BobCAD has a very easy to use capability allowing you to determine what types of entities you want to select or not within a given CAD file? As you can see here, we actually have some geometry on the screen now with some text here and some vectorized text down here. Let's go ahead and click the Select Mode button, as you can see there, and that activates our Selection Mask toolbar, which is docked over here. If I move this out into the workspace, you can see it a little bit better. Right now we have all of the different types of entities actually selected in the Selection Mask, allowing me to pick pretty much anything, any type of geometry that I can draw inside the BobCAD software. We have points, lines, circles, splines, contours, surfaces, as well as point patterns, text, and then some dimensioning icons right here. You can see we have line, then dimension radius, dimension angle, and then dimension point. Here we have a select all feature, and then we have a unselect everything. So right now I click the no selection, which means I can't select any types of entities in the workspace. Now let's say I just wanted to select only the points, but I wanted to do it fast. I could select just the point feature in the Selection Mask toolbar, and then click and drag a selection window over the entire point or part, and notice that only the points are highlighted. Let me go ahead and right-click and hit Cancel, and let me come back up here, go back into selection mode, uncheck everything, and this time we'll click the points and circles. Now a window pick the entire part, and you can see that I have only the points and the circles selected. The vectorized text down here also selects because there are arc segments that are in that particular part of the geometry as well. So to fix that, what I can do is come up here to the selection toolbar, right up here, and then I can go to the Add Remove feature, click the little drop down, and say Remove from Selection. What that allows me to do now is just window pick over this area, release my mouse, and that unselects everything. And then I can go back to the default Add Remove toggle. Okay, so there you have it. If you have a complex drawing that has lots of different types of entities in it, splines, lines, circles, even surfaces or solids, and I only want to select certain types of geometry from it, and let's say if I go Control 7 and I go into a ISO 2 type view, sometimes it's complicated to determine or go in and start clicking individual entities to select them. So the Selection Mask toolbar is a really easy way to determine what types of entities you want to select. And if you want to redock the toolbar, all you have to do is bring your cursor up here and quickly double click your left mouse button, and you can see it goes right back to the previous docking position. Okay, I hope this edition of Quick Tips helps you machine your parts faster, smarter, and easier.